The condensing of the chromosomes occurs during interphase. The battery represents the histones and the string represents the DNA. The center of the chromosome is the centromere, and the region of repetitive nucleotide sequences is located at the end of the chromosome. Condensing happens because it makes it easier for the chromosomes to split up and separate. Sister chromatids are two identical copies of a chromatid connected by the centromere. A homologous pair is a pair of chromosomes that exist in diploid cells. One of the pairs are inherited from your father and the other from your mother. They are the same length and shape and also share the same genes. The sequences of the genes may be different, which is what results in genetic variation. However, the genes remain the same. In karyotypes, they are in pairs because they are homologous chromosomes, one received from each parent, both mom and dad. As you can see, the green one on the left is from the male and the red one on the right is from the female. These are duplicated chromosomes, each pair being a homologous pair and the green male one being the sister chromatid. Now I will be showing you the process of meiosis 1. For example, we will take pair number 9. Meiosis starts with a diploid cell. During prophase 1, the chromosomes are duplicated and also the homologous chromosomes pair up. While this is happening, DNA is exchanged between homologous chromosomes. In other words, they are positioned so close to each other that the sister chromatids overlap. This is called crossing over. In metaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes line up against the cell equator. In anaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes separate. And finally, in telophase 1, separate cells are formed. Now for the process of meiosis 2. In prophase 2, centrosomes and centrioles move to opposite sides of the cell, and spindle fibers start to gather. In metaphase 2, spindle fibers align the chromosomes along the cell equator. In anaphase 2, the sister chromatids separate and move to opposite sides of the cell. And lastly, in telophase 2, 4 haploid gametes begin to form. As you can see, each gamete is different due to the crossing over of DNA and sister chromatids, and that also means genetic variation for the offspring. Let's say that all the gametes produced were sperm cells, thus being an even distribution of molecules. Also, let's say that the brown eye color was the more dominant eye color. Although the offspring will have brown eyes, it will also hold some blue eye alleles which can change the overall eye color for the offspring.